Hi everyone, I'm Jen and I'm a Business Development Manager at Revolution IT. For who are not familiar with Revolution IT, we provide software testing and project management services. And one of our offerings is crowdsourced testing, which we provide via Crowdsprint. So first of all, I would like to thank Rick for organizing such an amazing event and for all of you finding the time to attend. So what I would like to talk today about is digital disruption, digital transformation, mobile applications, and the way it changed the way we do the business and transformed our everyday lives. And the most important topic for today is crowdsourced testing and how important testing is for any project or digital project that is out there. So digital disruption is transforming traditional service model by using new technologies. So good examples would be Uber, crowdsourced testing, Airbnb, Netflix, for example. So digital disruption is all about understanding your customer better and be able to understand what do they want and is currently not on the market and be able to provide them with it. So as we understand nowadays, customer is the one who dictates the market and set trends for future products and services. Let's talk about Deloitte report. So according to Deloitte report, first touchscreen smart mobile phone came out around 10 years ago, and it completely changed Australian market and society. So collectively, we use our mobile phones around 480 times a day. And as you're all familiar, there's a million apps that is out there for entertainment or functional, so banking, games, anything. And every day we upload or delete them, depending if you like the functionality or performance of it. So it's very critical to have a functional app, which can be, having a functional app can be the difference between success or failure of your project or your business overall. So with the whole digital disruption and digital transformation happening right now, every digital project comes to the point where it requires testing, from bugs, spelling or errors, broken links, or any other errors that can leave your users with bad experience. And some companies choose to use their staff members, family members, or friends to do so. While it's a great start to test, but we recommend crowdsourced testing for it's a more effective and efficient way. So now I'm going to talk about crowdsourced testing as a concept, how it works, what it is, and what are the benefits. So crowdsourced testing is engagement of many testers around different locations at the same time to test one specific application. And it can be applied to any businesses that is out there, from large to small from large to medium to small, in any industry with any budget. So if you're a startup, you can use that. If you're a small to medium business with just a basic website or your first website, you can use crowdsourced testing. Even if you're an enterprise and have multiple projects or complex projects, you can test that as well. Good examples would be Google or Amazon. They use crowdsourced testing all the time. The types of testing you can perform with crowdsourced testing is anything. So from functional exploratory, test case execution, accessibility testing, usability, cross-browser, cross-device, anything, you name it. What we found, crowdsourced testing is mostly suitable for web, mobile, cloud applications or games. So anything that you can access via internet. So anything customer-facing or employer-facing. I guess question that we get, the most asked question is around security, how secure it is to test via crowdsourced testing. And there are a few levels that vendors take to provide their customers with that security is background checks, police checks, non-disclosure agreements with their testers, and there's a few applications which can take screenshots or videos at testers while they're testing. What are the benefits of crowdsourced testing? I guess one of them would be is you get quick access to any skilled resource that's out there in any specific demographic, location, with any industry. So if you have a new app or new mobile app or website app and you have a target audience, it's very easy to find it. Second benefit would be time frame. So whatever was possible to be done within a month now can be done as short as 2 to 3 days. It can be done overnight or over the weekend, and ramp up only takes 24 hours with most vendors usually. Another benefit is you get larger coverage, so you can get access to any mobile device that is out there. So from, let's say, newest iPhone 7 to something less common and older, such as HTC or Nokia Lumia. You can get access to any desktop out there and combination of any operating system and browsers. And we know how new phones come out each year, and for each company it can be quite costly to keep purchasing them. With crowdsourced testing, you can just specify which devices you want, and they'll be available at very short notice. Most crowdsourced testing vendors have a web platform where, as a client, you can create a project and monitor your project, and at the end you'll be able to get results. And as a tester, you can sign up, create your profile, and you'll get invited to be participated in specific projects. So just quick recap, crowdsourced testing is a quick and easy way to test your application if you don't have a dedicated team or if you have a tight deadline. So in this slide, I would like to show you how crowdsourced testing can be used for small companies. So Anytime Professionals is an Australian-based small family-owned business. They do accounting service, tax and accounting services. So they were developing their first website, and they didn't have any technical knowledge or testing skills, so they were not exactly sure what to expect from it. And from the initial inquiry to start testing to them getting the actual report, it only took a week, and those are the results we were able to achieve. So 212 defects were reported, 291 testers were joined, there was 45 testers, the active testers that were doing it at that particular time. Defects, so as I mentioned before, 212 defects were found, and 18 of them were shop stowers. So for who are not familiar with shop stowers, they're defects that are high severity, so you can't go live without fixing them. So with those defects, they were able to go back to the developers, quickly fix them, and meet deadline. After achieving such great results, they decided to do usability testing, and usability testing is when you engage your target audience and you get feedback from actual users rather than testers to see how they like and what sort of changes they would like to be on their website to be able to provide better service and keep growing their business. So I've explained how you use crowdsourced testing and how beneficial it is for clients or businesses. Now I want to show you the video of testers. in crowdsourced testing community, there are two communities. So one is vetted, is where testers get screened before they asked to participate in a project. And there's a few different ways of doing it. The most common one is gamification, is when testers get points depending on the quality of work they have done in the past. So sort of what sort of defects they found, high severity or high priority. And unvetted, you still can pick and choose how many testers and with what skills they have, but it's not exactly, we wouldn't know if they were participated in previous projects. And who can be a tester? Anyone in the crowd, so anyone here, if you'd like to sign up as a tester and do it as your full-time job or part-time job. So if you're a professional tester, you can do that. If you're just a student and looking that exposure of an industry, that's a great way to start. And so yeah, we welcome everyone to sign up to our platform or to any platforms that is out there. So I guess just a quick recap of crowdsourced testing is when we engage many testers from different locations to test at the same time to test one specific application, and it's a quick and easy way of doing so if you don't have a dedicated team to test, or if you're short on time and you would rather concentrate on your core business. Now I'd like to thank everyone and invite Bala. He's our product owner. So if you have any questions, he'll probably be the best person to ask, especially if you have any technical questions. Thanks.